it goes.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Stay in there. Take a picture. Did you get it?
I got something. He's looking down. I'm not getting close to that fucking nest though.
You get fish.
He's coming.
Whoa, watch out, Mike! Hey. Where'd he go? What?
He's up there.
On the branch or in the tree?
The line.
Oh, that's him. Hey. Go inside. Did you get him coming at you that time? You got the wild.
I'm gonna have to play it back.
You got National Geographic going on back here. Isn't it funny though, dude? He's still coming in a minute. Nah, don't hit him, dude.
Don't do anything. No.
No, don't.
No.
He'll eat the birds. Go inside. Go. That's a purple target. You almost hit Eric in the head this time. Eric turned around and went like this. You need to learn how to code everything. You need to understand that we're good people. And this is art. We're putting little babies up there already. I put it. Let's come up and mouth. It's up on the power line. Close the door. He'll fly in there. Alright, good. He's just staying around the net. Walk in real quick, Mike. Walk in and do it. You gotta stay in here, though. I'm not afraid to take things. Everybody. Oh, stay in there. Oh. Not right now. Where's the bird? Hey, ask Rachel to give me a small plate. All right. Oh, here comes the mom. You see him?
Uh-huh.
Not a monster. It's just
She's got food.
He's like, yo. Oh, fuck. She's trying to pick babies up. She's got a bunny on her. Well, she was good over here before when we were out. Nah, she'll chill. It's her father.
He's behind the fence now.
Huh?